So if the water is stuck, water will always find cracks to find its way out.
Ay, wow, that's right. Eh di ako na din sa True Love makiki...
why not?
Oh,
Why not?
ano,
We can share.
yeah. Ay, maybe I'm crying. I am doing the canopy walk and dreamcatcher walk hike with Echo. He's just parking his motorcycle. But we are in Barangay Maligaya, Palawan. Ta-da! So let's see. We're going to pass here. Yan. Ayan, and then we're going up there. Okay, all set for the canopy walk. Should I tie my hair? I think, no? Are you excited? Yes, birthday walk. This is our birthday hike. Oh, diba? Okay, so we always set intentions for everything, right? What is our intention for this birthday hike of yours? What would...
Make me
Yeah.
reflect
Yes.
for a bit.
go.
So intention just to keep moving forward.
Ooh, I like
Yeah.
that. Keep moving
Diba?
forward.
Sometimes we are so stuck with so many things that is happening to our lives, and then sometimes to that getting stuck, we can always find ways. Just like the water.
Oh.
So if the water is stuck, water will always find cracks to find its way out.
Ay, wow, that's right. Wow, grabe yung reflection
Diba?
natin. O,
Okay.
tapos ito, meron na tayong dinadaanan na nature.
Mhm.
Love it. So, keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward.
Okay, what would mine be? I think to celebrate my body.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because I'm not a huge hiker. I just started last September. One hike per month.
Okay na yun.
Okay, yeah. So this is my hike for August.
Oh,
Yeah. Yay! So we're almost at the canopy walk. When we're taking a rest. Ay, ilang minutes lang yun? 3 minutes.
less
Going
pa
up.
yun. Yes pa yun.
Less.
Mga two.
But it was tough.
Medyo
Because we don't have stairs at home.
okay.
So parang hirap ako. And ikaw, yung stairs mo, yung shala.
Shala, and at the same time, yung room ko is nasa second floor.
Wow!
And then I do elevation training. So
Okay.
I walk up and down sa medyo concrete na road, so medyo high elevation.
Saan road?
Sa bahay namin.
sa bahay
Going to
mo.
our subdivision. So,
Okay.
which one is?
So for me, it's tough. Kahit na 3 minutes lang siya.
Yes, okay.
So now, what is the reflection? Parang you were saying something.
So anyway, the reason that I said it's a reflection to keep moving forward, because sometimes during the trail you would feel all that anxiety, that stress, and something like that. But every journey there's always a parang light at the end of the tunnel or something like that. So that's your motivation to just keep moving forward so that you'll be able to reach that finish line. Parang it's a
Yes.
marathon. Diba?
Oo.
So during the marathon, you're just you're feeling a little bit exhausted already. So
Yes.
ganun. So you just have to have that motivation. But
Yeah.
sometimes you really have to listen to your body as well.
Correct.
If you get super exhausted na talaga,
Yeah.
you would need to seek help.
Okay, so Echo right here, he's not just a yoga teacher, he's also a trail runner.
Yes.
So actually that was nothing to him, but because he's with me, he's being so kind to me and taking my pace as well. So thank you so much. Okay, so we are in the canopy walk now.
Sorry.
It's okay, but we're doing it slowly. So I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Quite literally. Okay, so it's over there. Trying to show you. And look at that view. So beautiful. So we'll just do this slowly but surely because we love it. How do you feel, Echo?
Careful. I have a thing with heights. Pero,
Are you facing your fears? Okay lang. Okay. So as Echo said, just keep moving forward. And as for me, I'm celebrating my body, that I am capable of doing these things, that I can still handle it, that also that it is not raining. It's quite humid, but super duper manageable. So I'm so happy. Pero medyo hingal. Hirap pa. Fairness. Parang kasi it's wobbly and it's quite high, and then meron pang init, tapos pataas. So it's not the easiest, but super duper manageable. Okay, so highly recommending that you guys do the canopy. Oh! Grabe. Pawis na kami. May echo. We've made it to the best view in El Nido. And may mga rules. Oh my God, sakit na ng eyes ko. Tara na? Maybe I'm crying. I wanna cry. So this is my August hike. We're taking photos. I just took Echo's photo here by the canopy walk, and this is El Nido. If you can see that, there it is. And look at that beautiful, beautiful view. Hello. Ganda. This is our view. This is El Nido town. This is us at the canopy walk. There you go. I'm gonna take his photo now. So we made it to the dream catcher, if you can see, and the dream catcher literally catches our dreams, right? So we want to manifest while we're here because, you know, I am celebrating my body and Echo is celebrating his 40th year. Maybe top 3 things that you really want this dream catcher to catch, and transform it and allow it to unfold by the cosmic kitchen, the universe.
yes. You
Go.
have to say it?
Sige. Para ano, balikan natin to.
Sige, go. Top 3.
What do you really
I mean, continue with my career path, direction in life. What do you call this? Number 2 is good health. Yeah.
Good health, for sure.
Relationships as well. And then number 1 is financial.
Gusto ko yung tula. Sana mapanood niya ito.
Ay, ala.
Ay! Or baka pinapanood niya to.
Oh, why not?
O, diba?
Secret lang.
Ano yung Instagram account mo para he can slide into the DMs?
Yogista Echo. That's YOGISTA.ECH.
Ayan. Eh di ako na din sa True Love makiki
why not?
ano,
We can share.
yeah. Ay,
We can share the
wag lang-
manifestation. Not
wag,
the same person.
wag lang share. Or pwede. Ay, hindi naman masyado. Wag na natin i-share. Oo, kasi ano naman God is abundant. Wala siyang budget. So, go lang, abundant yan.
Yeah,
Okay? So, ako na din, true love. True love ba tawag doon? Everlasting, unconditional.
Unconditional.
Love. Yan. And then, may my body really be able to carry me through all of my dreams and manifestations even more. And yes, stronger, perhaps. Like, I don't want to keep yung hingal-hingal ba? So, I really am trying my best among the rest. And then, third would be that my loved ones, and I love you all, so that means that's you, and you, that you also receive the success that you so deserve, and the love that you so deserve. So, okay, we are done. This is our last staircase. And indeed, I am celebrating my body for being able to endure that. How many minutes in total?
And stop. 58 minutes.
Ooh, 1 hour. And then we had a lot of stops because, you know, resting and then picture, vlogging, etc. But how was that all in all, Paco?
It's a good experience. Parang,
Yeah.
parang it brought me back sa mga trail run ko. Parang na-relieve.
Yeah. And then, what was your intention again?
To keep moving forward. Diba?
Yeah.
Parang there was a time na parang it's so steep already.
And apparently, Echo has fear of heights.
Oh, yes. Pero manageable.
Manageable. So, how did you manage this time?
Parang sinasight ko lang siguro yung sarili.
Sabi mo, you engaged your core.
I engage a lot.
Okay, so do you recommend the canopy?
Yes,
and
if you want to
yung
explore like other things in El Nido here,
Yeah.
in the town. So if you're adventurous, then why not?
Yeah. You need to have strong legs ba?
Yeah.
And strong core.
Core
And
then-
even arms.
and strong
Mindset.
strong mindset, because if you have fear of heights or something like that, it would really be a struggle for you.
Okay, thanks so much. Thanks for celebrating. Eto, this is Lian. Just look for her. At ano bang pangalan nila? Tara?
Hindi po.
Sige, yan si Lian ang nag-guide sa amin. Maraming salamat, Lian. Okay, bye. Thank you.